Welcome, my name is Artur Steffen and I'm the CEO of Poligy. Let me show you around. At Poligy, we turn waste heat into electricity. Let me show you where the magic happens. When we founded Poligy in October 2018, we stayed 1 year in a room with no windows at all. And now we're in the city center of Düsseldorf in a brand new office. Let me take you on a quick tour. And in this room, our business team is working hard on the company's success. Let me show you the next room where the engineers are doing the magic. And here, the best engineers are designing the products of tomorrow. Let's go to the next room. Welcome to our social room. This is the place where colleagues can hang out and read one of the 100 books we have in our library. And let's see my office. And this is it. This is my office. This room is mainly used for meetings with customers and with partners. We discuss how the bipolymer technology can help our customers, partners and other stakeholders to be CO2 friendly. With the great support of our team members, we are honored to have achieved several international awards. Here you can see 3 of the dozens of prototypes we have developed over the last 18 months. Now let's introduce you to Martin Huber, who is the co-founder and inventor of the bipolymer.
Hello, my name is Martin Huber and I'm the co-founder and CTO of Poligy, and I want to show you our laboratory now. We have a very diverse team of 6 nationalities here, and 1/3 of our employees are women. Now I want to explain to you the bipolymer, our magic material that changes everything. The bipolymer is a material that reacts very strongly to temperature changes. So when you heat it up, it will be completely flat, and when it cools down again, it goes back into its original shape with a lot of force. With the bipolymer, we power our revolutionary heat engines that convert heat into electricity, and so we can use this to convert waste heat from the industry into electricity again, so you can save on electricity and save on CO2. You can see waste heat in your everyday life. For example, when you drive by a power plant, you can see steam coming out of the cooling tower, and that is totally wasted heat. So for sure, your company also has waste heat.
That's why contact us. We'd love to meet you in person and discuss how Poligy can turn your waste heat into electricity.